Welcome to this comprehensive guide on the ROI of Axie Infinity Axie Stats Explanation. Axie Infinity is a popular blockchain-based game where players can collect, breed, and battle creatures known as Axies. Understanding the stats of an Axie is crucial to determining its value and potential return on investment. First, let's break down the 6 stats that make up an Axie's profile. Health, speed, skill, morale, attack, and defense. Each stat plays a unique role in battle, and having a well-rounded Axie with balanced stats is essential for success. Health determines how much damage an Axie can withstand before being knocked out, while speed influences the order of turns in battle. Skill affects the damage dealt by an Axie's abilities, and morale impacts the Axie's chances of landing critical hits. Attack and defense are self-explanatory, with attack determining the damage dealt to opponents and defense reducing the damage received. When evaluating the ROI of an Axie, consider the following key concepts: breeding, battling, and trading. Breeding Axies can increase their stats, but it also requires significant resources and time. Battling Axies can earn players smooth love potions, which are used for breeding, and Axie Infinity shards, which are the game's native cryptocurrency. Trading Axies can be a lucrative way to earn a profit, but it requires a deep understanding of the market and the stats that drive an Axie's value. To calculate the ROI of an Axie, you'll need to consider the costs associated with acquiring and breeding it, as well as the potential revenue generated through battling and trading. A general rule of thumb is to aim for an Axie with a high attack and defense, as these stats are in high demand and can drive up an Axie's value. In practical terms, let's consider an example. Suppose you purchase an Axie for 0.1 Ethereum and spend an additional 0.05 Ethereum on breeding it. If you can sell the Axie for 0.3 Ethereum after a few weeks of battling and trading, your ROI would be 100%. However, if you spend too much on breeding or the Axie's stats are unbalanced, your ROI could be significantly lower. Best practices for maximizing ROI in Axie Infinity include staying up to date with the latest market trends, focusing on breeding Axies with high demand stats, and being patient and strategic in your trading decisions. By following these guidelines and developing a deep understanding of Axie stats, you can increase your chances of success and earn a strong return on investment in the world of Axie Infinity.